Hey y'all, it's Mary, and this is Mary Catherine Loves Cats, and welcome. And I have a haul from STYLEVANA. STYLEVANA has wonderful skincare. They are overseas, and they have Japanese and Korean and Chinese skincare. And I have bought some things from them because I just love that type of skincare, and I love masks, as you all know. And I have been gifted a couple of boxes from them in the past, and every so often they send me one, which is wonderful. So I do have a code where it'll save you 10% if you spend up to $59. If you spend over $59, you save 15%. And STYLEVANA ships anywhere in the world pretty much. So it's great. They have some promotions about shipping, free shipping and things like that. I'll put what I know in the description. And when you go to their site, they have just tons and tons and tons. You can look things up by masks or by creams or by moisturizers or by, they have nail things. They have all kinds of things. You can look it up by, Korean beauty or that type of thing. Just whatever you have in mind. I mean, you just could be on their website for days and days. There's just so much. And then they also have like daily specials, weekly specials, all these different specials that come in. So you can save money on specials. And that's what I mostly get because who doesn't like a good sale? I love a great sale. So let me show you what I got, okay? I have some, I don't have a ton, but I have some nice things. When I went in, I wasn't looking for this in particular, but when I went in to shop and get some masks, they had the little Sawasu Essential. They had both of these. They're a deluxe sample. They're small. I've had this before. This is wonderful moisturizing cream. It's firming cream, it says. And these were, I have two products from Sawasu. They were buy one, get one free. This particular one was a set of two. You got both of these for $5.23. And they're just lovely cream. They're super cute little container. Like I said, I've had this before. Maybe not exactly this moisturizing cream. I might have had a different style. I'm not real sure. But it's just super creamy. You can see it. This is a wonderful, expensive product line, and I really like it. So I wanted to get a couple of those. And then also from Sawasu, I got these. This was a buy one, get one free situation. So this is what this is. It looks like here. And these are Time Treasure, it says, extra creamy cleansing foam. So let me show you what that looks like. And it was buy one, get one free. And let me see. When you put one in the cart, it put the other one in the cart for you. So it was $3.87 for one. So I got two. So these are just great sizes for traveling, and it's a wonderful product line. Sawasu, I'm not sure that I'm saying it correctly, but I think I am. It's a wonderful, expensive, bougie product line, and I like it. So then I got some different things. Okay, they had, they gave me a couple little samples, so that's always nice. This is MediHeal. It's Tea Tree Pure Cleansing Foam. This is just a little one-time use package. And the brand MediHeal is a great brand. I have used products from them before, and also masks. Their masks are expensive. I've gotten them from Facetory and other mask companies. And then they sent me this also. I think this is a sample. I'm not really sure because it was called the Beauty Trial Lucky Draw. And it doesn't tell me what that is, but it does say quantity 1. And I have these two products that I didn't buy. So I'm assuming this was a sample, except it's not quite a sample when I tell you what it is. It looks like a sample. But this is Centella Clearing Spot Patch. This is the spot relief formula for blemishes. It says don't squeeze, just apply. It's tea tree leaf oil, salicylic acid, and 3 kinds of centella extracts. And they're waterproof, they're translucent, which is wonderful. And there are 23 patches in here. There's a 10 ml size and a 12 ml size, if you can see on there. So this is really 23 in here. That to me is a full-size product. So I'm not really sure. Like I said, I can't tell if that's a freebie or, but I don't think it's with the Beauty Trial Lucky Draw. I think that's what this is, because I didn't buy this. This is a full size of something. It is Vitamin E Calming Ampule. It is by Common Labs, the brand Common Labs. I have had that brand before, and very beautifully packaged. And this is what it looks like. Look at how gorgeous. Oh, you can't. I have the light from the ring light coming through it, and it's gorgeous, like stained glass green. Oh, I wish I had something that I could shine. I don't have anything that I could shine. So you could see here my mirror. Well, it's gorgeous green. Take my word for it. It's gorgeous. And it's a dropper bottle. This also is for oily skin, I guess. Let me tell you what it says on it. It says, let's see, a lot of it is not in English. Sensitive skin, come and find me, it says. But I did see something, because I looked at it earlier. And where did I read that it was, okay, this ampule contains 72% tea tree leaf extract, vitamin E, and patented soothing ingredients. I can't even say that word. Gesolsa. This formula eliminates excess sebum and cleans pores to rebalance the skin. So it is, I wish you could see how beautiful the green is. Anyway, it's gorgeous. It's beautiful. So I think that was $5.99. I think that was my mystery item. And they have different things like that. So it's just a lot of fun. And then they had this, I think it was called Mask Buffet set, and it's the brand Pure Derm. And I've used that brand a lot. You all have seen that brand a lot. This was $4.74, and I got 6 packages. So, and again, you might, when you go on, they will have different things. They may still have some of these sets, but they may not. So I've had these before. They're really nice. I've got 2 packages of the Vitalizing Orange pads. So what you can do with these pads is you can lay back and put them on your eyes. You know, clean your face, put them on your eyes if you'd like to, especially like the cucumber ones. Very soothing on your eyes. And then there's also the watermelon ones. Or you can, say you're having some trouble right here, you can just stick one on your forehead. You can stick them on your cheeks. You can I've seen people put, 2 and 4 and 6 and another 7, 8, 9 of them, 10, 11, 12, if you want to. There are 10 sheets in each of these little packages. And you can just, so, it's nice they're even, because if you use 2 on your eyes, then you'd have 5 uses out of this one. Okay, so each one is a little bit different. The watermelon is ultra nourishing. The cucumber is hydro soothing, and the orange is vitalizing. So they're just nice to have. So anyway, I am going to, well, let me show you one other thing, and then I also got 2 packages I got a lot of things. Not too much more though. I got also from the brand Pure Derm. These are under eye mask collagen. And this is a resealable package, if you can see. There are, there's one here and one here. There are 30 sheets. So there's 15 stacked here and 15 stacked here of these under eye masks. And what you do is you take 2 out, you put them on, and then you reseal. And again, if you like these, some people use the under eye masks not just under the eyes. You can put them over your eyes. You can put one here on your forehead. You can put them over here. If you've, people put them on their lips this way. If you have a lot of, lip lines, you can put it on your chin. I mean, you can put them other places. So this package has 30. And this is going to be a bonus item for our treasure trove treasure hunt. Okay, so let's do that. And then I got some masks from Tony Moly, and they have quite a variety of masks from Tony Moly, and quite frankly, they're more reasonably priced than they are on the Tony Moly website. So this was a package of 10. Let me find it on here so I can tell you the price. a package of 10 of the Tony Moly masks, and this is $5.87. So there's 10 of them, and these are the snail masks, and I love the snail masks. The sheet itself is 100% cotton, and it says snail mask sheet skin irritation care. So they're all the same, but I do have 10 of them, okay? So you'll be seeing them in future Mask Mondays and giveaways and things like that. For me, the snail secretion is, you know, take a look at Asian women. Their skin is gorgeous. And they use these odd things to us, but I like it. It feels very good when it's on. It's soothing. Soothing is a good word for it. And then I have 4 other boxes of sheet masks. So, and then we will be done. So they're just, this one is by Eye and Lip Beauty. The name brand's down there. This is hyaluronic acid. How pretty is that package? And now this package has some Asian writing on it and some English as well. This is Moisture Essence Mask, and there are 10 of these in here. This was $5.81. So it has the hyaluronic acid, and here's one of the masks. So it looks like the box. So very, very pretty. And again, you know, I have these for future giveaways and also for myself. And then they also carry a lot of the Esfolio brand. And this is, I just love any of them. And, you know, I went in and this is what I found on sale. So this is what I got. This is the Pearl Essence. And this was $6.10 for 10 pieces. And that is sealed. Let me see if I can break the seal and I'll show you one of those. And, you know, you probably have seen the Esfolio brand many, many times. A lot of us have used it for Mask Mondays. But isn't that cute with the mermaid on there? And the Pearl Essence is enriched pearl extract and various nutritive components deliver abundant moisture and nourishment deep into your skin. So that's, again, there's 10 in that package. And then I got this. This was interesting to me. Let me show it to you. It says facial sheet mask. I think that's the only English on there. And I just am fascinated by the box. I'm fascinated by the lettering. I can see that they're sheet masks. There's 3 in this box. And I got it because it was caviar. It's called Active Golden Caviar Nourishing Mask. Oh, hang on. That's not what this is. That's the other one. Okay, hang on. Sorry. This is the Premium Purisa. That's the brand, I think. Well, yeah, Premium Purisa. Right up there it says. Golden Jelly Mask. Sorry about that. This is a 3-piece set. And it is, oh, you have to open it. You know, you have to tear it open to get in there. Okay. Maybe not as bad as I tore it, but oh, okay, this is how this looks. Oh, this feels, well, it shows a mask. And yeah, it does show you how to do it. It doesn't necessarily say, and it doesn't say in English. And somewhere along the line, see, I see 20-30. So that's how long you would keep it on for. This feels like there is just an abundance of essence in here. Wow, I'm looking forward to trying that one. So there are 3 of those in this box. So that was a little expensive, $6.59. But, you know, so a little over $2. What does that make? $2.20 a piece? No, $2.10 a piece. $2.20 a piece. So, but I just wanted to try it because it was the golden jelly, you know, royal jelly. They say that's so good and all that. And then my last thing that I got is the brand JM Solution. I've had that brand before, but I don't think I've had this one before. This is the Active Golden Caviar. And this is a pack of 10, and this was $7.75. And it's sealed as well. Some of these seals are very nice and hard to open. Good to know, though, that it's protected. Oops. So caviar, I just thought, yeah, let's try that. I have the wrong thing to try to open this. It doesn't matter to me if I break the box. Okay. this again, it's there is a mask. It looks like it might be gold. I don't know until I try one. But there's one. It looks just like the box, you know. So this one says soft skin fit sheet, and it's rich nourishment of caviar. And I'm looking to see if I can see solution for uneven texture, and I do not see where it says a time frame. I don't see any numbers. So, oh, here, well, no, that says 30 ml. Well, anyway, if I don't find a time frame, you know, usually masks are 15 to 30 minutes. So again, you should check, make sure that it's not going to harm you in any way. Oh, there it is, says 10 to 20 minutes. There is a little bit of English on here. Okay. So this one says, after washing, prepare your skin with toner and then apply the sheet mask and leave on for 10 to 20 minutes and then pat in the remaining essence. So, but you know, with these different ones that I have, like I've tried this before, I've tried this before, but the other ones I haven't. So it's best to test, you know, patch test so that you don't end up, you know, breaking out or something. So that is my haul from STYLEVANA, and I just enjoy shopping on their website. It's just so much fun. It just is. It just, you can just go down a rabbit hole, like what people say. There's just so much to see, and I just, you know me, I love all the masks, and I love to share them with you as well. So anyway, y'all, thanks for stopping by and seeing what I've gotten from STYLEVANA. And like I said, I do have a code if you want to go check them out. I'll put their website below, and then you can use my code to save a little extra off. And I do get, if you use the code, I get some pennies. But what they do is they give me like credit to spend. But see, now Blue is shaking the whole table, sorry. I had like $4 and I went to go spend that with this, but the sales were better than, you can only use so many, things. So I wasn't able to use, and I don't know, it's not easy. I don't know, if somebody knows how to use that money, tell me, but I wasn't able to use it because I got better deals, because these were all like a clearance sale. So, but that's fine with me. Anyway, y'all, so I might get a little bit, but I might not get it because it's floating out there and I may never get to use it. Anyway, y'all, thanks for stopping by and count your blessings. Bye-bye.